What's up guys, Jico Spice here, back with another video today. I'm excited to show you guys my new product. I got the AirPod 2s. I'm really excited to show you guys the action-packed features they have in this amazing new product. So let's get into it. Differences between the first AirPods and then the new AirPods that have come out. So they're officially called these the AirPod 2s. Kind of feels like they're AirPod 1.5 or whatever you guys want to call them. These AirPods come with a wireless charging case, which is a new feature that they've added, which is kind of being implemented in a bunch of phones and new products that are built around stuff just like this. Just as like the Samsung Galaxy Buds introduced on their first generation, which is a little bit of a competition, so Apple had to step it up. So we didn't get a color scheme like we hoped for, which everyone was really thinking. Everyone was believing black, different sorts of colors that were going to come out. I mean, look at the other iPhone XR, which has a bunch of colors, and we were maybe hoping something, maybe even black would have just shown up for this, but nothing came up. They're probably saving that for a September event. Without further ado, let's just get into it. Satisfying. Put that on like a Snapchat. All right, I'm stoked. So let's see what this says. AirPods with wireless charging case. They're really promoting that on this. Designed by Apple in California. You know, blah 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 blah. Compatible with iOS device, Apple Watch, or Mac with the latest software. Works with AirPower, which is kind of weird because they killed AirPower off. AirPower Matte and QI certified chargers. Let's get these babies open. Right on. So right off we get designed by Apple in California. AirPods, just the basic gist. And this time actually the Qi light LED or whatever you want to call it is on the outside, which is I guess a little bit better because it kind of tells you if your thing's charging or not, because it was kind of hard before to tell. So here we go. We got them. Wow. All right, here comes the satisfying part. Oof, sounds so nice. I got my last name on there, if you guys can see that, and my football number. It's opener. Ooh, the white, bro. The new LED, I can already tell right away, is a lot more powerful than the last one. So let's get her open. This is the soft platform. Wow. Okay. Nice. Got our left bud. Ooh, I like that. We got our right. Let's check this baby out. Wow. I don't know if I feel a weight difference. It might feel a little like lighter. I don't know. You can't really tell. I don't really know. Oh, there's something under this too. The charger, duh. How did I forget that? Awesome. So they give you a charger with it. That is awesome. Now, with the great success, I do applaud Apple. I do want to point out that these headphones really do make everything convenient in everyone's daily life. Just love how small they are and how easy they are just to use. The new H1 chip really makes it easy to connect from device to device. It's really helpful. So like when I put them in, and it's ready to go. But you guys are here for the AirPods, so let me give you a montage of the AirPods real quick.